Right, everyone. So here you can see I'm going to replace this door handle. It's broken, and I'm going to replace it with a new one that I ordered from Timo. Right? These handles are very expensive, everybody. So let me just take this cover off, and then I will show you. Right, everyone. So the cover is off. There you can see it's broken there. That thingy there. So I need to replace it. So that is just a size 10 nut there. It's just the one. Just the one. Right? And that's all you do. Push it to the back. And then you take it out. There you can see. It's just moving. Using one hand here. One hand. One hand, everybody. And here we have the new one. Right though. So that clips again in there. One hand. And then this obviously, sorry people, I'm trying to show you how to do it. So I'm a bit familiar with this because I replaced the passenger side one already. Let me just get that in here. Sorry, I just need to use both my hands. There we go. There we go. So he's an asshole. Yeah, everybody, so to replace it, you just need to take that one out, that bolt out, and to the back, out. Right? So there's the other one. The new one. Here's the new one. Here we go with the new one. Here we go. It's gonna close it up again. So that one is done and dusted, everybody. Let's see if it works. It opens up. Let's close up. Lovely, lovely. So now I'm going to this one, everybody, and just follow the same process here. Here we go.